are our stem cells. Remember I said that we formed in a womb with stem cells?
Yeah.
Well, when we're born, we have extra stem cells left over that were not used. So it's kind of like painting a room. If you're painting a room and you're going to buy paint, right? You always buy extra paint because the last thing you want to do is to run out of paint before you finish the job. What do you do when the room has been completed from painting? You've got extra cans of paint. So what do? You put the cap on, you put it in your garage, okay, for another time if you need to spot check. Well, this is actually what happens with our stem cells. When we're born, and our organs have formed with all these stem cells, the overage, and we've got extra stem cells. In fact, we've got 750 million extra stem cells when we're born. That gets packed up into our bone marrow where it basically sits for most of our lives until we need to repair our organs from the inside out. So regeneration, our ability to be able to renew ourselves, is another health defense system.
Welcome back to the Longevity Deprocess channel.
Ever wished for a natural way to regrow your stem cells? Dr. William Li, a leading researcher in the field of longevity medicine, might have the answer. Today, we delve into his spearheading research on the power of fruit to support your body's natural regeneration process, specifically focusing on stem cells. But as we age, stem cell function can decline. Dr. Li's research sheds light on how specific fruits might play a crucial role in supporting and even potentially increasing stem cell activity. Dr. William Li has identified specific compounds in fruits that may have the potential to support and enhance stem cell function. Stem cells play a crucial role in the body's ability to repair and regenerate tissues, making their health vital for overall well-being. The compounds in these fruits may aid in maintaining stem cell viability, promoting their regenerative capabilities, and protecting them from damage. Each fruit is a powerhouse of unique nutrients and bioactive compounds that could have a positive impact on stem cell health. Whether you enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, salads, or even as part of your main meals, there are countless delicious ways to consume these stem cell boosting fruits. By making small dietary changes and enjoying these delicious fruits, you can potentially support your stem cells and improve your overall health. With Dr. William Li as our guide, we'll explore the science and uncover delicious ways to support your health from the cellular level.
Oh, a quick favor. We'd greatly appreciate it if you can subscribe and like. This helps the YouTube algorithm recognize the value of our content and share it more widely.
First up,
Hey there, I wanted to share with you one of my favorite fruits. This is a peach, one of my favorite summer fruits, juicy. You can smell the fragrance. The peach actually comes from Asia. Actually was transplanted and transported along the Silk Road. And it's got chlorogenic acid. This is actually a bioactive that actually does a lot of things. It cuts off the blood supply to tumors. It actually helps to protect stem cells, your health defenses. Also good for gut health, and it's also got a good amount of dietary fiber. But the interesting thing about chlorogenic acid is it actually helps your metabolism by fighting body fat. So you can activate your good fat and fight your bad fat using chlorogenic acid. Plus, it's just a juicy, great fruit to select during the summer. What you want to do is you want to smell it, and it should actually smell really good. And by the way, yellow peaches actually tend to be a little bit sweeter and juicier than white peaches, but white peaches are also delicate and great. Dr. Will Li out.
Peaches are one fruit that has garnered significant attention to Dr. Li's stem cell studies. Dr. Li's research explores how the compounds found in peaches may contribute to the regeneration and health of stem cells, which are crucial for the body's ability to repair and renew tissues. Peaches contain high levels of antioxidants, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene. Antioxidants play a vital role in protecting stem cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, antioxidants help maintain the viability and functionality of stem cells. Peaches are also a rich source of polyphenols, including flavonoids and phenolic acids. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can create a more favorable environment for stem cells to thrive. Inflammation is a significant factor that can impair stem cell function, so reducing inflammation is crucial for stem cell health. Dr. Li's research suggests that specific bioactive compounds in peaches, such as chlorogenic acid and quercetin, may directly influence stem cell activity. These compounds are believed to enhance the regenerative capabilities of stem cells, promoting tissue repair and renewal. The bioactive compounds in peaches may stimulate the proliferation and differentiation of stem cells. By providing a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, peaches help protect stem cells from environmental and metabolic stress. This protection ensures that stem cells remain healthy and capable of performing their regenerative functions. The nutrients in peaches contribute to a healthier overall cellular environment. This improved environment supports stem cell function and longevity, making it easier for the body to maintain and repair tissues. To harness the stem cell boosting benefits of peaches, Dr. Lee recommends incorporating them into your daily diet. Enjoy fresh peaches as a snack, or add them to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or salads. The natural sweetness of peaches makes them a delightful addition to many dishes. Blend peaches into smoothies along with other fruits and vegetables to create a nutrient-dense beverage that supports overall health and stem cell function. Peaches can be used in a variety of recipes, from desserts like peach cobbler to savory dishes like grilled peaches with a balsamic glaze. Cooking with peaches can add both flavor and health benefits to your meals. When peaches are in season, consider preserving them by canning or freezing. This way, you can enjoy their benefits year-round.
Next up.
Well, strawberries has something called ellagic acid. In fact, ellagic acid is what's make a nice strawberry tart. So strawberries are sweet, they're a little tart, and the tartness comes from ellagic acid. Well, ellagic acid is made by strawberries. It cuts off the blood supply to tumors. It's actually good for your metabolism, burns down harmful body fat, is antioxidant, protects your DNA, lowers inflammation, as well as vitamin C in the same strawberry, and activates your stem cells. So what's not to like about strawberries? You'd want as much ellagic acid as possible. Well, it turns out that ellagic acid was discovered by these researchers, and now this has been replicated in other foods as well, as the amount of ellagic acid in a strawberry is made in response to the strawberry plant becoming injured, damaged by insects, critters, nibbling on the leaves and stems. It's a wound healing response. All right.
Dr. William Lee, a leading figure in the field of angiogenesis and regenerative medicine, has made significant strides in understanding how certain foods can influence stem cell health and regeneration. Among the various foods he has studied, strawberries have emerged as a particularly potent ally in promoting stem cell activity. Dr. Lee's research delves into the specific compounds found in strawberries and their unique ability to support and enhance the body's stem cell functions. Strawberries are not just delicious. They are packed with bioactive compounds that have a profound impact on stem cell health. Dr. Lee's research focuses on several key components in strawberries that contribute to their regenerative properties. Strawberries are a rich source of antioxidants, including vitamin C, ellagic acid, and anthocyanins. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting stem cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, antioxidants help maintain the viability and functionality of stem cells, ensuring they remain healthy and capable of performing their regenerative tasks. The polyphenols in strawberries, such as flavonoids and tannins, exhibit powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can impair stem cell function and lead to various health issues. By reducing inflammation, these polyphenols help create a more favorable environment for stem cells, allowing them to thrive and effectively contribute to tissue repair and regeneration. One of the standout compounds in strawberries is ellagic acid. Dr. Lee's research suggests that ellagic acid may directly influence stem cell activity by promoting their proliferation and differentiation. This compound helps stimulate the regeneration of tissues by encouraging stem cells to multiply and transform into the necessary cell types needed for repair. Dr. Lee's research indicates that incorporating strawberries into your diet can enhance stem cell health in several significant ways. The bioactive compounds in strawberries, particularly ellagic acid, can stimulate the proliferation and differentiation of stem cells. This means that stem cells can more effectively multiply and develop into the specific cells required for tissue repair and regeneration. The high levels of antioxidants in strawberries protect stem cells from oxidative damage and environmental stress. This protection ensures that stem cells remain healthy and capable of performing their regenerative functions. By providing anti-inflammatory polyphenols, strawberries help reduce inflammation, creating a more favorable environment for stem cells. A less inflammatory environment supports better stem cell function and longevity. To take advantage of the stem cell boosting benefits of strawberries, Dr. Lee recommends incorporating them into your daily diet. Here are some practical ways to do this. Enjoy fresh strawberries as a snack. Add them to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or salads. Their natural sweetness makes them a delicious addition to many dishes. Blend strawberries into smoothies, along with other fruits and vegetables, to create a nutrient-dense beverage that supports overall health and stem cell function. Use strawberries in desserts like strawberry shortcake, tarts, or simply enjoy them with a dollop of whipped cream. Baking with strawberries can add both flavor and health benefits to your treats. When strawberries are in season, consider preserving them by making jams, jellies, or freezing them. This way, you can enjoy their benefits year-round. Dr. Lee's studies have demonstrated that the compounds in strawberries can help in various stages of stem cell function. The antioxidants in strawberries help safeguard stem cells from damage. This protective effect ensures that stem cells can continue to perform their vital roles in the body's maintenance and repair processes. Compounds like ellagic acid are believed to activate stem cells, prompting them to spring into action when the body needs to repair tissues or fight diseases. Chronic inflammation can severely hamper stem cell function. By reducing inflammation, strawberries help maintain an environment where stem cells can function optimally. In addition to their impact on stem cell health, strawberries offer a host of other benefits. The antioxidants in strawberries help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to heart disease. The high vitamin C content in strawberries promotes collagen production, essential for skin elasticity and health. Strawberries are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of strawberries contribute to their potential role in reducing cancer risk.
Hey there, Dr. Will Lee, and I have got one of my favorite fruits I want you to know about. You will recognize it, most of you. This is a pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. It's actually a fruit from Asia, and inside this are a bunch of these ruby red seeds with juices. This really juicy little seeds. You can put them in salads. You can actually juice them as well. Here's what's in the juice. It's got something called ellagitannins. These are bioactives that can do a lot of great things. One of the things they do is actually they can cut off the blood supply to tumors, so they can starve cancer by cutting off the blood supply. But the other thing that they do is they improve your gut health by helping to grow a bacteria called Akkermansia. This is a guardian of the gut and guardian of health, and it actually comes from the pomegranate. So don't be afraid to pick one of these things up and eat the seeds and juice them if you dare.
Dr. William Lee, an esteemed researcher in the fields of angiogenesis and regenerative medicine, has conducted groundbreaking studies on the potential of various foods to support and enhance stem cell health. One of the fruits that stands out in his research is the pomegranate. Known for its rich history and vibrant color, pomegranates are now being recognized for their impressive health benefits, particularly in promoting stem cell regeneration. Pomegranates are rich in a variety of bioactive compounds that contribute to their health-promoting properties. Dr. Lee's research highlights several key components in pomegranates that play a significant role in supporting stem cell health. Pomegranates are abundant in ellagitannins, which, when metabolized in the body, convert to ellagic acid. This compound is known for its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Dr. Lee's research suggests that ellagic acid can enhance the body's natural ability to regenerate stem cells by protecting them from oxidative stress and promoting their proliferation and differentiation. A unique aspect of pomegranates is their conversion of ellagitannins into urolithins by gut bacteria. Urolithins, particularly urolithin A, have been shown to improve mitochondrial health and function. Healthy mitochondria are crucial for the energy production needed by stem cells to perform their regenerative tasks efficiently. Pomegranates are rich in polyphenols, such as flavonoids and tannins, which exhibit strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These polyphenols help create an optimal environment for stem cells by reducing inflammation and protecting cells from damage. Dr. Lee's research indicates that consuming pomegranates can enhance stem cell health in several significant ways. The antioxidants in pomegranates protect stem cells from oxidative damage and environmental stress. This protection ensures that stem cells remain healthy and capable of performing their regenerative functions. Compounds like ellagic acid and urolithins stimulate the proliferation and differentiation of stem cells, ensuring they multiply and develop into the necessary cell types for tissue repair and regeneration. The anti-inflammatory properties of polyphenols in pomegranates help reduce chronic inflammation, creating a more favorable environment for stem cells to thrive and function optimally. To harness the stem cell boosting benefits of pomegranates, Dr. Lee recommends incorporating them into your daily diet. Here are some practical ways to do this. Enjoy fresh pomegranate seeds as a snack or add them to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Their sweet tart flavor can enhance a variety of dishes. Drink pomegranate juice, but opt for pure juice without added sugars to maximize health benefits. You can also use it in smoothies or as a base for salad dressings. Use pomegranate seeds as a garnish for dishes like roasted meats, grain bowls, and desserts. Their vibrant color and burst of flavor can elevate any meal. Dr. Lee's studies have demonstrated that the compounds in pomegranates can help in various stages of stem cell function. The antioxidants in pomegranates help safeguard stem cells from damage. This protective effect ensures that stem cells can continue to perform their vital roles in the body's maintenance and repair processes. Compounds like ellagic acid and urolithins are believed to activate stem cells, prompting them to spring into action when the body needs to repair tissues or fight diseases. Chronic inflammation can severely hamper stem cell function. By reducing inflammation, pomegranates help maintain an environment where stem cells can function optimally. In addition to their impact on stem cell health, pomegranates offer a host of other benefits. The antioxidants in pomegranates help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to heart disease. They also support healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Pomegranates promote collagen production, essential for skin elasticity and health, thanks to their high vitamin C content. The fiber in pomegranates supports healthy digestion and regularity. This holistic approach to diet and health redefines how we think about food, emphasizing the incredible healing power that lies within nature's bounty. Please consider giving us a thumbs up, sharing this video with your friends and family, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content on health and wellness. Your support enables us to continue delivering essential information to assist you in leading a healthier life. Thank you for watching, and as always, I wish you excellent health, wealth, and happiness with the key to vitality in your hands.